Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry you guys if you guys can hear like a bunch of background noises. They are currently working on my roof and my dogs are driving me insane. This is probably the 5th time I've recorded this intro, so hopefully I can get through it this time. This is the first video I'm filming for 2018 and I wanted to do a giveaway. This is my 2-year YouTube anniversary and January is also my birthday month. We'll be giving away the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. It is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is what the eyeshadows look like. This palette is incredible for the price you pay for it. It is only $12, but the mattes in here are very creamy, they're very pigmented, and they blend very easily. And the foiled shadows, which I've heard that the Huda Beauty palette, you have to use your fingers with the foiled shadows because they are like a weird texture. These are basically just like foiled eyeshadow palettes. They're very, very, very metallic. I did want to do a tutorial using this palette so that you guys could see the quality and what you will be receiving if you win the giveaway. I created this kind of gold bronze cut crease. I really love the makeup look that I created. If you win the giveaway, you will also be receiving a 15-piece eye brush set from Jessup Brushes. When I first started YouTube, I did not have any makeup brushes. I had makeup, but I didn't have the correct tools to apply makeup. And I looked up on YouTube good affordable brushes. Jessup was one of the brands that came up. So I decided to get a brush set from them. I've had that brush set for a year and a half and it's lasted me this long. They last a very long time, they don't shed, and they're very, very sturdy. You will be receiving the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, and I do want to do more giveaways. I'm thinking of doing another giveaway next month. I'm not entirely sure what I want to give away just yet, but I do want to give back to you guys, especially because you guys have stuck with my channel through my absence last year. I was very absent with my channel. I think I like filmed one or two tutorials through the whole year. This is just my way of saying thank you to you guys. And also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it is just Trishthedishbeauty. I'll have it right here. You can enter on there. All you have to do is be following me, tag 2 friends in the comment, like the post, and repost using Trish Anniversary Giveaway. For this giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and then comment down below. It could be anything. It could be how your New Year's was. It could be your New Year's resolutions. It could be what you like or don't like about this tutorial or get ready with me. And also, don't forget to leave your name and how I can get a hold of you, whether it be on Instagram or like an email address or something. This giveaway will run until January 26th. That's when the giveaway closes, and then on the next week, probably around the 31st, is when I will announce the giveaway winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me, and if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
you.